Welcome to Arlington in 2, a review of local news, events, and more. This holiday season, major shipping companies will deliver packages valued at over $1 billion. Package theft increases every year around the holiday times. Here are some helpful guidelines from Arlington Police to ensure your package's safety. Request a signature for packages to be released. Customize your package deliveries on a day you plan on being home. Track your packages online and redirect them to a safer location if need be. You can redirect them even if they're already on their way. And consider sending your package to your workplace or to a family member or friend who may be home at the time of delivery. On December 4th, a mother was crossing Mass Ave with her children at the crosswalk by Quincy Street when she was struck by a car. The mother complained of a head injury and was transported to a local hospital. Her children were not injured. The driver was driving slowly but did not see the mother or her children. When the driver slammed on her brakes, the wet weather caused her car to skid forward. Police cited the driver for failing to stop at a pedestrian in a crosswalk. All owners of dogs that are over the age of 6 months need to renew their license before the end of January 2015. Applications can be filled out at the town clerk's office in Town Hall or mailed to the clerk's office at 730 Mass Ave. The license fee must accompany the application. The spaying or neutering certificate and the anti-rabies vaccination certificate must be shown and will be returned. On December 11th, Arlington International Film Festival presents the film Heart of Sky, Heart of Earth at the Robbins Library at 7 p.m. The film follows 6 young Maya through daily and ceremonial life and shows how determined they are to preserve their culture and their environment. That's all we have for this week. I'm Hannah Perlmutter. Come back next time to see what's happening locally on Arlington in 2.